How to pin chats on Instagram. What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily pin chats on Instagram. But before getting, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, the first thing that you want to do is make sure to open up your Instagram app and then just log into your account. And once you are logged in, the first thing you need to do is access your DMs or your messaging sections. For that, you can just tap on top right or swipe left on your screen. Now, once you get to your DM, choose the message or the person that you want to pin to your chat. Pinning will bring them to the top, and no matter how many messages or DMs you get, they will always stay on top. So for example, if I want to pin this person right here, I'm just going to long press on this, and here you'll have an option to pin. So once you long press on the chat, you will see that there will be an option to pin. So if you want to pin this person, just long press on it and you'll have an option to pin. Now, no matter what you type here or no matter how many messages you get from other people, this person will always stay on top. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.